Bong Revilla po, number 16 sa balota.
Happy birthday, Senator Bong Revilla. Kahit nagtestimonya na si Yusek Bernardo, nawa ay maging happy pa rin ang birthday mo at humaba ang buhay mo. At saka baka naman, pwede makahingi naman ng kickback dyan. Kahit 1K lang. Pamerienda lang namin dito.
Senator Ramon Bong Revilla.
Nandito na si Bong Revilla!
Sometime in the year 2024, Senator Revilla and I met where I gave him a list of projects given to me by Engineer Alcantara. Senator Revilla asked for a commitment, which I suggested. Then he approved at 25% of the total amount of the projects indicated in the list here to attach as Annex C. I relayed the 25% commitment to Engineer Alcantara and told him that Senator Revilla will appreciate additional contributions for his senatorial re-election bid. Engineer Alcantara collected the 25% commitment, or about 125 million, which was turned over to me and then delivered to Senator Revilla in his house in Cavite.